Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a Cpagrip marketing method. Well, actually you can apply this method on CPA marketing in general. And I'm actually going to show you a free AI, a free robot that will do much of the work for you, so you don't have to invest that much time and that much work. So if you're a beginner, this might be a good method for you to do CPA marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose CPA offer to promote. And for this example, I'm going to use Cpagrip. So I'm here on my offers, and here for country, I'm going to choose United States. Okay, United States. But you should choose some other country because in those countries, competition is not that big, it's not that strong, and people are not used to CPA offers. So it is much easier to convert them to submit their email or whatever. And also, ads are cheaper for those other countries. And here for category, I'm going to choose email and zip submit because those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And here I can see all the available offers. So for example, just say here, this looks like an interesting offer. Enter for baby products now. When I click here I can see when they enter their information, I can earn $1.88. And this is my Cpagrip affiliate link. I'm actually going to copy this because I'm going to need that later. And I'm going to paste it in the notepad. So now when I have my CPA offer, next thing I need to do, I need to write an article about some topic that is related to babies and baby products. Now the best one that I managed to find is baby showers. So that is closely related to baby products, right? So what I need to do, I need to come here on Google and I actually need to write baby shower ideas, Control C and paste it here. And here you can see there is lots and lots of blogs and websites who actually write about baby shower ideas. So I need to open one of these. So for example, happiest babies. When I click here, 25 best baby shower ideas. And what you actually need to do, you need to rewrite this article. But I know that many of you are not good at writing articles and not good at rewriting articles. So what you can do is you can simply copy this, okay? Copy this, Control C, and then you can go on website called Quillbot, and you can use this to rewrite this article. Now, fair warning, if you are using free version of Quillbot, you can rewrite up to 125 words at the time. So I'm going to paste that here, and here I like to choose fluency, but you can test these other options if you want. And then go back again here, and I'm going to copy this, Control C, go back on Quillbot and paste it here. And now just click here on paraphrase, and this software will automatically paraphrase these articles. So let me just, okay, and here you can see it paraphrased this article for me. So this is basically a new article. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Vocal Media. Now Vocal Media is exactly the same like medium.com, but Vocal Media doesn't have so strict rules about affiliate links. Now after you register for a free account, what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on Create Story in order to create a new story. I need to add a title, so I will go back on Quillbot, and this is my title, so I will copy this. Control C, go back here, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And as you can see, 25 adorable baby shower themes that aren't corny. And now I need to add a subtitle, so again I will go back on Quillbot, and I can simply copy this first line here, first sentence, Control C, go back here, and I'm going to paste that here. And now you need to add an article. Now you should open article with an interesting and eye-catchy photo. That is what I always suggest. Now you can embed videos if you want, or upload photos from your computer, but I suggest to use Unsplash images to find royalty-free photos and images. So here I will type my main keyword, in this case it is baby, okay, and press enter. Okay, and here you can see it automatically pulled baby photos from Unsplash. So for example, let's just say I will use this photo here. As you can see, automatically added this photo to my article. And now I need to add an article. So go back on Quillbot, and I'm going to copy this, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And again, you can go back here and you can copy this paragraph here, Control C, go back on Quillbot, paste it here, click paraphrase, give it a few seconds and it will automatically paraphrase this article. So again, just Control C to copy, go back on local media and paste that here. So now what I need to do? Now I need to add a call to action in order to promote my Cpagrip affiliate offer. So I already prepared call to action. So this is my call to action. Okay, Control C. And here I need to add a call to action. Okay, enter for baby products. And now I need to highlight this and then click here on this little chain. So let me just click here on little chain. And here I can paste my Cpagrip affiliate link. So I can simply copy this, Control C, and I can paste it here and then just press enter and that's it. I added my Cpagrip affiliate link. So now when someone click here, it will take them to the landing page of this CPA offer. And again, you just need to go back here and you need to rewrite this entire article by using Quillbot, totally free, and just add it to local media. Now this is really important. When you finish your article, on the bottom of that article, you need to say that this article here contains affiliate links. That is really important. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on Save Changes and then click here on Submit for review, and it will take up to 24 hours for them to review your article. And if it follows their rules, they will publish your article. So now you need to start driving traffic to this article on local media. Now for that you can use Reddit. Simply come here on Reddit and here in search bar just type baby, okay, and press enter and then click here on communities, and here you can find lots of baby related subreddits, and you need to start promoting your local media article in all of these subreddits here. Also what you can do is you can go on Facebook and you can find baby related Facebook groups in this case, and you need to promote your article on all of these, in all of these Facebook groups. Now this is important. You need to make a good plan, working plan to promote your article in Facebook groups and in subreddits, related subreddits. That is really important. Also what you can do is you can go on Pinterest and start promoting your product, your article, local media article here. And baby shower ideas are a huge thing on Pinterest. As you can see here, there is lots of people who are actually promoting this kind of stuff, and these pins are getting lots of engagement. Also, you can promote your article on related forums. Simply come here on Google and search for baby forum, and here you can find a list of baby related forums where you can promote your local media article. And you should also promote it on Instagram, on Tumblr, on Twitter. Promote it wherever you can. Drive as much traffic as you can to your local media, because in that case, you are increasing your chance of people clicking on your affiliate link, CPA affiliate link, and submitting their information, and you earning money. Now, this is important. Good thing about local media is you can actually replace your affiliate links. All of the CPA offers, they have expiration date, ending date. So when some CPA offer ends, like for example this baby products offer ends, you can simply go on Cpagrip, find related CPA offer or some other CPA affiliate network and find some other CPA offer related to babies. Simply highlight this, okay, so let me just highlight this, click here again on this link, and you can remove that link, and again just highlight this and click again on this link and add your new affiliate CPA affiliate link and press enter, and you will add a new CPA affiliate link. So basically you can use this article here to promote CPA affiliate links forever. So this is how to do Cpagrip marketing as a beginner in 2022 by using free robot. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.